Go to Goldcrest fast.
Wobu, Wobu. Wobu, are you here, Wobu?
Ay, ako mag-command
Wobu, Wobu.
sa
Ay,
PC.
tanga. Ano
Wobu,
pa pala?
Wobu, Wobu.
9 minutes pa pala, bobo. Ay, sorry.
Wobu, Wobu, Wobu.
Bobo.
Bubu.
Rapture, don't be stressed.
Rapture, I need your help, my friend.
Rapture,
Yeah.
don't be stressed.
Team E, go join Wobu, guys.
Yeah.
Team E,
Rap-
join Wobu.
Rapture, just put eyes on your kill, Rapture. Trust me. My source, trust me, bro. Yeah?
Ay, nako po, Rudy. Nantok na ako.
Cruella House, you and Maymay. You've been dating a lot since
Yeah. Since
yesterday.
season 3 came out.
Yeah. Since Home came out.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh my god.
Mm.
Fishy.
Fishy.
Walang si Megatron.
Fishy, huh? Fishy.
Fishy while fishing.
Fishy. Fishing together. Pillar set.
To our party.
Cruella only love.
Oh my god.
Actually, Sushi and Ria admit that they have threesome. And you, Maymay and Cruella, will you admit?
The fuck, bro? Where's King Steven? King Steven is Team C.
Oh, you're already recording. Hello guys. Welcome to my live.
Hi
It's
guys.
me again.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Your BF will see it. It's fine.
Team D, how are you guys? Rosalie?
It's Okka, Kenchana.
Team
No, it's
C.
not. I'm not
Oy,
doing that.
Jinri, type. Someone's missing.
Puta.
Team E,
Wait.
join Wobu. Wobu.
Guys,
So we will face
Discord.
Codex, Reso,
Steven, where are you, my friend?
Oyasumi, Sanctuary, Daddy. Wow, Daddy leader is only 424k DP. Wow.
Mga bossing, sali na.
Then
Bossing.
Outlast is no more.
Servisan.
As you can see on the rankings, Outlast don't have members anymore.
Astaroth.
See?
is
No
absent.
members. So how they can be compete on top 8? They don't have member anymore.
But they're a part of the
Yeah.
ranking, right?
Yeah.
That's
Anya,
crazy.
online, mag-online.
That's crazy.
Online mo, Paps, gusto mo?
Ayoko, tatlo na nga ginagamit ko eh.
Yeah, cause of DP. Yeah.
Because of living.
Yeah.
Because of that.
Yeah, because if we like know it already, we will be like verse also, like only DP base. Yeah.
TP.
Anyone who doesn't have a team yet, guys?
Me. I don't want team.
Oh, Team E join Wobu. Team E join Wobu. Then to those who doesn't have team yet, just
Wobu, listen to my typewriter.
wait, Maymay is on mic or no?
No.
Bossing,
Oh.
ako bahala kung saan kami pupunta.
I
Yeah.
will follow Cruella.
Yeah, Cruella. Cruella, just tell
Tell
in guild
Jinri.
chat where you go. Yeah. Assign castles later. Because the elite teams will move first. They will just we will just follow.
Don't forget to change to
Yeah.
your PvP
Bahala
preset,
kayo, dam.
guys. Nexus preset, Soul Force.
Yeah, we're not
everything.
defending, so I can't assign any castle. Okay, God, defend the Gold Crest. You can.
Dependa. Gindol. No, dependa
Oh.
Gindol.
Why are you bullying Gout?
Because God said he has Himay.
Ooh.
Uy, nga ako gagawin, napindot.
Team E, join Wobu.
Ay, Himay.
May.
Wobu, can you like edit the parties?
Grabe naman
According
si Maymay,
to-
inuubo na naman.
King Steven.
Wait, let me turn on my
Guys.
soundboard.
Guys, when May join, always coughing. Are you going to be dead
I'm
already? Okay,
Mga bangkay.
condolence.
Mga
Is
bangkay
someone
na namatay.
Yes, we are.
Adobo, where are you?
Luchan. Yes, Pixa?
Adobo. Ah, mali ako.
Then Pixa say, fuck you.
You'll be one to decide, Pixa. Since the elite teams will go first.
Adobo, Rickroll, and
Yeah, left side. But we will
Dante.
take left side to Gold
Where
Crest.
are you guys? Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
left side. Since we just need to be on Gold Crest as fast as we can, so no need to assign. So just you know, go there as fast as you can.
Ay, nakaka...
All of us. Yes.
Hugil.
You're not listening. I
Don't,
will
Left
kill
side.
you.
don't depend, Gildol.
Gold Crest. We manage like you guys will defend the Gold Crest. So get there as fast as you can.
Wobu, how many members do you have missing? So you have like four teams, right? Where we go again, please?
Left side. Left side.
9 members. Oh my god, there's so
It
many.
depends on you if you want to start at
Ubu, can you
Bellflower,
trash talk
Fairy
the
Town,
member?
Long Spear.
Kuro, Vermeil, Kaoru, Rapture, Tessie Kosong, join Wobu. Taichi, Ayame, Himeko, Kosei, Alvian.
Time.
Sir Pau, Clemons, Cadmus, Carl, one hit combo. join
For
Wobu.
you, Sir Val, I have designated area for you. You will start at Fairy Town.
Oh, diba?
The rest, for Pixa, you can do Bellflower, and for other elite parties, you can do the lower part.
Tulog na
Kaya
mga
long
buhos
spear.
tayo bukas.
Mhm.
20 poste daw, sabi ni engineer. Gago. Buhos.
Gold Crest, Sir Val, Gold Crest. We will get the Gold Crest. Left side. Left side. Yeah, left. No. Last time we're at the bottom. Now we're at the left side.
Bottom, left. Gusto ko yan.
Wait, did Sir Val hear it? Wait, Sir Val, you will go Fairy Town, Lionheart, then Goldcrest. To be exact. Fairy Town, Lionheart, Goldcrest. Yeah?
What?
Team C.
What?
Team C.
Our goal is to make you
Join
what?
here.
Lala Town, Hawk Town,
Fairy Town.
Fairy Town.
What are the other one?
Ay, special mention na lang sila.
Capture the Bottle Slayer.
Wait, adobo.
Wait, guys. Wait. Fairy
Can
Town.
you guys still hear Luchan? I think he went off. Luchan, I think your mic went off.
Hello.
Or is it mine? Oh my god.
Wait, guys. Are you guys kidding? So,
Join in.
Can you guys hear me? Me. Can you guys hear me?
No.
guys, I will quit.
It's okay.
Ah,
I knew
So for the team A to E, it's for the elite teams. Okay? You must follow them. For team A, you follow elite 1. For team B, you follow elite 2. For team 3, you follow elite C. For team C, you follow elite 3.
okay, thank you.
Roela,
Okay.
let's defend the Gildol. Trash talk
So for
tayo.
team D, you will follow us. Okay?
Ah, diba? Nakakapuno
Oh.
kang-
Jen Bilog, Demon daw.
Ayoko nga.
Ayoko.
Demon.
Attitude.
Demon. Demon.
For team D, we will go Fairy Town also.
Demon.
Food buffs, guys.
I don't need the buff.
Go, go, go. Enter, enter, enter. Channel is full? Ah! Go, 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 go. Enter, enter, enter.
Keep trying, guys.
Keep
Keep trying.
trying. Keep dying.
Team C.
Keep trying, keep trying.
Demon Town.
Go, 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 go.
Spam, spam, spam.
Team C. Demon Town.
Don't eat luncheon meat. Eat spam.
Oh, something sabi.
Go,
Hey,
go
Barry,
to
don't
the
call-
throne room first, guys.
Barry,
and
don't
then-
call me your lord.
And then when
OMG.
it's secure, you can go take the totems outside. But for now, go rush inside the amp room.
There's Emp Gout. OMG, this.
Amp.
Yeah, we're already in. We're already in. The Sir Val is here already at the M.
Yeah, so after we conquer these guys, we go to the next town.
Lion's Heart.
Yeah. We go to
You can
Lion.
all go to Lion's Heart. Okay? Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Okay, Lion's Heart now.
Lion's Heart, guys.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Run!
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Putangin mo. Ay, naka-record pala, gaga. Sorry, guys.
Oh, you like that song too, ah?
No, I like Beanie Fowler.
Bini Baloy.
If you want it sweet. May tahe.
May tahe.
May
Di
tahe.
porket may tahe, hindi na masarap.
This is
Kawawa.
why I said sometimes go teach Meme.
Lion's Heart, all team, go Lion's Heart.
Yeah, run guys, run. You
I
put
can edit
music
me if you
overlay.
want. Just send me the video to my Gmail. I can, yeah, for free, yeah.
Luchan will edit it for you. Long spear taken by Daddy.
It's fine. We focus to Gold Crest. Go to Gold Crest. Okay.
Oh fuck, why do I ban with
Guys, you can TP. Okay, you can leap without falling to the wrong person.
Go.
Gold crest, gold crest.
Gold crest.
Okay. Okay.
Run!
Elite 4 and 5. Elite 4 and 5. Listen. Okay, wait. My PC is lagging. Go to Nightingale.
So Gout's team and Barry's team.
Then team D and E will go Nightingale also.
Rosalie team and Wobu team go to Nightingale.
Nightingale. Putik yan. Di nakikinig
Nightingale,
sa-
Nightingale, Tai Chi, Nightingale. Let's go.
Team E, can you invite Tai Chi's team? Thank
Then we
you.
will go Jade Fort. Then for team A to C, okay, you will
Gold.
just hold the Gold Crest.
Gold. Old
Okay.
but gold.
Let's
The fuck
go.
done.
Let's go. Cruella, go to Jade Fort. Bring your team. Cruella is team 3, right? So team C.
Yeah, Jin Bilog.
Jade Fort, Jade Fort. Jin Betlog. You go.
Ayaw ko.
Ayokol? Ayokol?
Wow.
Bata pa ko, Kol?
Tol. Manya tol. Hindi makapasok.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Kasi lang share a border.
Then to all
Okay.
teams, just hold your positions, okay?
All
Hold
teams
your
can enter.
positions.
Team
Jade Fort.
A
Just spam,
B.
just spam, just spam.
and
Wow.
D stay in Gold Crest. Wait for further
Let's go.
directions.
Then after team 5 and 6, ay team tama ba? 4 and 5, I mean. 4 and 5, Elite 4 and 5 will go Jade Fort also.
Takbo mga ihi.
People in Gold Crest, go capture the totems outside.
Go, go, go. We battle the Oyasumi. Let's go.
Araw. Ayun ka sa'yo.
Yeah. Let's
Go,
go,
let's go.
totems.
Don't PvP at the spawn area, guys. Don't PvP at the spawn area. Yeah, I'm dead also. It's fine, it's fine. Just push, just push. Push, push. If we didn't capture, go back to okay, go back to Goldcrest. All teams, go back, go back, go back. Then I will assign each member. Wait. Wait. So guys, don't follow anymore the elite teams, okay? Don't follow them anymore. Okay? So let them do their job. Take the castle they want. Then for the ABC or A to E, just hold the gold crest for now. Okay? Then for team 4, elite 4, go to Scorpion. Elite 4. So my
Barry.
team, Barry's team.
Barry.
Come. The Devils. Let's go. Just stay at gold crest for now. We still have a lot of time. Okay, let's go. Yeah, guys, to all A2E, just stay at gold crest for now since Reso and Oyasumi will attack you. Then tell us also, guys, if there's a strong enemy so we can summon the rocket. Okay? Yeah, God. All elite teams will attack. Randomly.
Go out. We believe in you.
Yeah.
We believe in the
That's why we
power
put
of
you. We need
God.
dummy to attack. Yeah.
Oh my god. Did you just call Gout a dummy?
Yeah, of course. Do you think I'm scared? Of course not. You've been promoted to a member to dummy. Congrats. Ina mo.
Yeah, that's the most appropriate response, Gout. Good job.
God, I want to hear you that saying that to me in voice.
Yun ang
In bed. Fuck, bro.
While choking, Katana, while choking. May recording, guys. Sorry.
Yeah, we made
Okay lang yan.
recording.
na-edit naman.
Okay, Elite 4.
Barry.
Elite 4. Go to Serpent now.
Barry, go to Serpent.
Yeah, Barry is so fast.
Responsive.
Yeah.
Very responsive.
I will shake your keyboard, Barry.
Okay. Oyasumi on outer. Okay,
Let's go.
let's just hold this here in Gold Crest.
Sushi,
Yo.
you will check the map, okay?
Okay.
So if there's like a main castle available or we captured already, you move the half of our team.
Oh my
Gago ka, Lucha.
There's so many.
I will
Daddy,
check the guild.
Daddy's taking Nightingale.
I will check the guild.
It's fine.
Black Hawk. Sanctuary is getting Black Hawk. We're in Gold Crest.
Let's go, guys, let's go.
So
You
they
know
are-
Actually's plan, guys, right? The V shape.
Gold Crest, be ready. They're already inside.
Elite team, you know the Actually's plan, right? The V shape. We will do that. Because I love Actually.
Oh my god.
I
Be
will
careful.
Go.
I will check
Go, guys,
the
go.
guild. I will check the guild.
Can some of the people in Gold Crest go out here on the soil turret?
No, I will check the guild. One hit combo. Why are you sleeping, my friend?
Wake up.
Oh, they managed to depth.
Shibuki.
Oh my god.
They're in Gold Crest.
Yes, they're here.
In the M already.
No. Soil. Just in soil.
Dami nagbabantay.
We are
Barry, move
managing.
out.
Guys, don't tap the guild.
Move out. Or it's 5%. I think we can manage to beat them. I guess. Oh, 21% now, Barry. Move, 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 move.
They just scouted Gold Crest. Yeah. Why am I
Guys,
planting
don't-
first automatically?
Don't get
This is
the,
crazy.
the game
Okay,
zone.
half of the teams, team team CDE go to Jade Fort. CDE go to Jade Fort.
Jin Bilog's team, Rosalie's team, and Wobu's team go to Jade
Then
Fort.
team 4, Elite 4 go to Bellflower. Elite 4. Bari, let's go.
Yeah. Raid party
Bellflower.
leaders, make sure to tell your teammates in team chat where you're going.
Yeah, you team C to E, you will def the Jade Fort because Serval already captured the Jade Fort. Toilet. Bellflower, Bari.
Barry Bellflower.
Yeah, Bellflower. Is my mic low?
No, it's okay.
Oh.
Ay, naku po.
Just def. Then team C to E, if there's an enemy, okay, just report us immediately.
Yeah.
So we can
CDE go to Jade Fort.
summon at least one.
We can trash talk them. Diego. Magtutulog na kayo, maaga pang pasok.
Daddy
bukas.
Guild is here at Bellflower. Let's go, Barry. Let's go. Go. Let's go.
Oh,
Kill them, Barry. Kill them. Let's go.
Like it's happening, I'm liking this job. That's good for you, bro.
Kill them, Barry. Kill them. Let's go.
Almost took spring.
Just def, okay? Def. Then report it to us, okay?
Okay.
What happened?
Get ready, Gold Crest. Someone's capturing the... Oh, there was someone in V that went in. I saw him.
Ay, nakakantok. Yung ginagawa.
Turn on your Ruach, your sight, guys, and everything. Yeah.
Oh shit. They're defending. Barry, where do you want to go? You decide.
I want to go to Disneyland.
Sabi nung lasagna, ano daw? Yung Outlast. Anong Outlast? Meron sa Outlast.
Alam ko rin natin yung soil may.
Outlast yung daddy.
Is someone in the wind turret, guys? Anyone there? From Gold Crest.
Barry. You want to go other side, the right side? Let's go, Grizzly Barry. Wow, Daddy Guild is following us. Barry. I don't know why. They follow us.
Ay.
They always follow us.
Need scout outside.
Ah,
Can you go to Dazai?
Team
Can
A-
you go
Team
to
A to
wind?
E? Are you still good?
Yeah.
Can manage? Okay, can manage.
Let's go. I'll go with you.
Somehow. Good. It's fine. Good to hear.
Someone at wind. Let's go. I need like 3 people. Come with me. Oh, there's just one person from Codex.
Let's go.
Come. Help.
Oh.
Oh, fudge. He kinda hurts though.
Black Fort. Okay. Serval. Copy.
Come. Spread, guys. He's a Doram, I guess.
We will just capture this Serval, then we will go to Black Fort. Is there anyone capturing the Gold Crest?
No.
Go Alpha. Boom.
Gago ko.
Okay, let's go back in, guys.
Scammer to.
Wow, they keep following us. Really?
Yeah, Gold Crest, there's no one here right now. There was just one person.
Okay, Venus, just check the Black Fort because Serval is capturing the Black Fort now.
Okay.
Just send at least Team A.
Yeah. Team A. Block off. Team A. Black Hawk. We noob.
Doubt. That's why I keep telling you we just need dummy.
Wow, Tessie Kosong.
We
Very
captured the Black
good.
Fort now. Okay. Team Elite 4 and 5. Go to Black Fort. Same as Team A.
Team A,
Now.
Blackfort.
Black Fort, Black Fort.
Oh my god, that's so fast. Bro.
Go Serval, you can do it. We believe in the
Can
power
you
of
type
friendship.
Blackfort in our team chat?
Wait, I'm transferring at Black Fort.
Team A, Blackfort. Thank you,
So
guys.
Team A and Elite 4 4 and 5. Okay? Go to Black Fort. We just defend. We believe in the power of friendship.
Yeah. Is someone like brave enough to scout outside?
Gold
no, they're still
Crest.
here in the Emp room. No. They're still in the Emp room.
Gold
So,
Crest, okay. Be careful, there's one codex.
Yeah, Gold Crest, report immediately if you see large amounts of people.
Gouts team, go take the soil. Yeah. Go outside. Because you're the wards. Yeah. You're the dummies. Go. Okay, let's go. We can still manage.
Hoy, huwag kayong magsitulog dyan mga kapatid. Maga pa.
Okay. Mhm. Team A. Can you go to Scorpion, Team A?
Team A. Scorpion.
Ba't naririnig ko? Team May.
Team A.
May yung team mo daw.
Can you type again? Thank
Team
you.
A, go to Scorpion. Lyra, can you type again,
think-
Lyra? I hear Venus telling you to type.
She's busy eating. Yeah. Do you hear it? It's so crunchy.
What Lyra's eating? You? Okay,
Scorpion.
focus. Yeah?
I can take the robot on a different castle. Ooh.
Okay. So, we secure at least 5 castle for now.
Are you crunchy sushi?
Yeah, are you crunchy,
We have 5
Sushi?
attackers at Blackport. 4 codex.
Wait. Long spear, okay.
Wait, I'm gonna take the turret. Team A, where are you? Are you guys in Scorpion?
Okay. Cruella's team, where are you? Cruella's
I'm
team.
taking Scorpion. I'm taking turrets. Okay.
Antler, okay. After Antler, Cruella, you can go, Serpent.
Scorpion, be careful. There's an RK lurking. Oh my god.
Yeah, after.
Just bowling bashed
Okay,
me.
thank you. 2 rainbow, guys. 2 rainbow.
Yogi, help me.
Gout. Wala lang. Sinabi ko lang.
Let's
Tinawag ko
kill
lang.
that RK. Go Alpha. Ooh.
Serval, we need you here at Black
Fort.
Fort now. Black Fort. So many 3-star rainbow. OMG. So many 3-star rainbow. The heck. Just heal, then die. Just heal the M, then die. Oh shit. I can't even heal the M. Just heal the M, guys. Heal the M. Most especially to FS. Yeah, me too, God. I got 1 hit.
Blink and die.
Yeah, blink, sank, then die.
Ooh. Okay, I think.
Oh, okay, we can manage. Nice. Oh, Serval is here, that's why.
How's Gold Crest, guys? Someone's inside the Emp room. Okay, just defend Scorpion. Which side?
Black Hawk 6 daddy members. Why you in Black Hawk?
You told them to stay, I think. What team is he?
No, not Black Hawk, Black Fort. But it's fine. Yeah. Just hold the Hey, they coming back, Sir Val. They coming back here. The
Oh,
Daddy
someone
Guild.
is in on the left side.
I think just send Pixa here, not Sir Val. I think Pixa can delete them.
Pixa will delete them.
Yeah, just Pixa.
See,
Jin Bilog! Ako bahala!
5 reso at
May
gate
May! Go! Ah!
came from the left.
Pares ko ulit.
Okay. Turn on
Sige,
your
sige.
sight, guys. We will find this
Apat kasi
motherfucker.
ginagamit ko eh, tatlo eh.
Focus ka muna sa FS pas kahit i-AFK muna yung dalawa. Huwag ka mag-rest mo ya, re-rest kita. Re-rest kita. Ay, sigot na rest ko. Adik.
Pares ko, rep.
Aray ko,
Bobo.
napatay tuloy.
Sa baba naman tayo mabubuhay.
Ah!
Lang yan.
No. Oh, Pixa is dead.
I'm going to the turret.
Yeah, Pixa dead. Yeah, Pixa dead. Yeah, Spec is strong. Don't worry, they just 5.
Backport. Yes.
I'm summoning the tree, so all of you arise.
Team A, be careful. They're already inside the M
Napuno
room.
ng mulawin.
Go. Just sank the M, sank. Yeah.
The M.
No damage. Dime.
Yeah, I'm healing the M. Cloud, I rest yung Cloud. Go.
Sabi na nga ba may mali sa karakter ko kanina. Yung film.
Team A, go back to the M room. Let's go. Let's go.
Astra, pan-run ka muna dyan.
Go, guys. Go. Yan, nagsama na ako ng Golden Tree.
Puno ng mulawin. Yes, nipig ang putik.
Then to all FS, make sure you have the Golden Tree before you enter the battlefield. Okay? Make sure you have the...
Isa lang yung kalaban natin eh.
Okay lang yan. E di kupal siya kung mag-isa lang siya.
Nice.
Dapa siya, dapa. Patay.
Trash talk ko.
Dead.
Night.
Let's go. Paano nakakalito yung team? A, B, C, D, E na nga lang eh. Paano nakakalito?
Palitan mo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hindi nyo ba chinek yung ano, guys?
So, on
Yung
cooldown.
burnout.
Don't rest, guys. I'll rest you. Still on cooldown. Fuck, I got it.
Yeah. Team Epal. Okay.
May team COVID.
Jin Bilog, Team COVID.
Team A, go revive and just keep on
Yeah.
keep on defending.
Paano pag sinabi kong Team Alpha may Alpha tayo? Kaya
Kung may
nga,
team-
may
kung
Alpha
may
tayong
team-
pangalan eh. Kaya
Kung
nga
may
A,
team-
diba? A, diba?
Kaya nga kung
Team
may
A,
team-
go back to Scorpion. Revive and go to Scorpion.
Malapit ni Astra, nagdidep mag-isa sa soil. O, diba? O, kaya nyo gago, hindi.
Go. Okay. The golden tree is in the other side now.
Where do you?
Oh, yes, Peg.
Here.
Nisha, where are you, Nisha? Nisha, are you sleeping?
30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, Sir Val. We're managing to def the. How about team C2E? I mean D2E. Doing good. Team D2E. D2E. Delta to Epal.
Fudge.
Doing good.
Oy, may kalaban. Yung
D2E,
kasayo.
there's no D2E. Rezo waiting outside at Jade Fort.
Oy. Yay, go.
Okay, summon the golden tree. May, kaya nyo i-handle yan, May? Ay, shit.
Saan sila namatay?
Golden tree,
Bangon.
golden tree, golden tree, dali, golden tree. Rest mo ko, re-rest ko si May May.
Diretso na kita.
Wala, hindi mo ko na-rest, na-ice ka. Oh, di ba?
Nag-cooldown yung resto ko.
Or-
Sir Val, I think we can enter the Grizzly for now since they're hitting the Black Fort. But I'm healing the Black Fort now, so... Ah!
How many percent, guys?
Where? In Black Fort?
Blackfort.
100. Still 100.
Okay.
Oy, gising. Yung mga natutulog sa ilol. Di yan dinedep.
Wait.
Orpheus! Kuro, don't sleep at the guild hall.
No one's attacking the guildhall.
Go, def. Can one whale assist us on Black Fort? Only one. Espec is so itchy. The heck? Shit!
Sakit, grabe.
I'm healing the imp, then run.
Sakit dito.
Ah!
Team A, just keep on reviving, guys. They can take it in time, I guess.
No, Black Fort is healing. I
Okay.
already put Sank. Sir Val, we need you here since I think 13 reso now in the M.
Yes. Just sunk the imp in Scorpion, guys.
Heal and run.
Orpheus, I already died 3 times. They're still not moving.
She's sleeping.
Are you sleeping? Sleep well.
Sleeping.
Bangon na last.
How's Jade Fort and Gold Crest, guys?
27. Oh, yo.
Nakapagsang
We're
tayo.
surviving. Nakapagsang.
Lol, I killed that SC. Okay. Gold Crest, fine. Alright.
Okay. Nice. Black Fort
Blackfort, if you
already.
need help, we can go there.
No. We're good. We're good now.
Okay.
Yeah. 100.
CP mo, ilang minuto
Yeah,
lang.
Survival clutch the game. Soil. Okay. Gout, your team capture the soil.
Team A, just
Gold-
stay here on
Gold
Scorpion.
Crest, someone's...
I think he gave up already.
Team B.
Team
Team
B. Team Zepha.
Zepha, go to gold, Grizzly.
Hello.
Yeah, your team, all team B. Since there's only one at Gold Crest. Go. Team D. Go to Grizzly also, Team D.
Team Rosalie.
Team D. They're coming back.
They're in soil, guys. In Scorpion, be ready.
They're pressuring us too much, but it's fine. I like that.
They are back.
Okay, round 5. Round 5.
I'll go out with you.
Oh shit, they're here. Oh shit. Mommy.
Nami pa ko.
Why Spec keep capturing here? Serval. Spec is for... Yeah. Spec is for rainbow title. It's so itchy.
How's the M? Oh my god. Don't rest, guys. I will rest you. Just wait there. I'm still.
Go, 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 go. Let's go, let's go. Just heal, then go out. Heal,
Oh my
go out.
god.
Okay, nai-heal
Heal
natin
me.
kahit pa paano.
Respawn, guys. Respawn. Team A. Run!
I'm healing the
Healing the
imp!
imp.
Oh! Oh! You won't take damage to the imp again. Heal, heal, heal the imp, guys. Heal the imp. Go, 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 go. I think we need to sacrifice this Black Fort.
We can go there.
Oh, Rhea is here. Team Val is here. Team Val is here.
Wait, Perio. This Avarice.
Ano nga?
Elite teams can't move since we're defending the Black Fort. Shit.
Wait, Alpha.
But it's fine. As long as Serval is taking castle.
More.
30 minutes. Okay, clutch again. Ready for the round 6. The fuck?
Good job, Team A.
Black Fort. How about Grizzly? Are you still good?
Grizzly has Team B and Team D, right?
Yeah. Team A,
think-
Team A.
Yeah.
Go to Goldcrest now, Team A.
Team A!
I think they will not attack anymore in Scorpion. They will just monitoring.
That was
Guys!
Codex. That was Codex.
Black Fort.
Hey,
Go to all FS, go Epicless. Epicless.
Epicals.
Epicless. Oh shit.
Epicals.
Okay, round 6, fight! Oh, 7, yeah, 7. Fight! No, I'm
Gold
healing
crest,
them.
gold crest,
I'm
gold crest.
hiding. I'm putting my cards now. Oh shit! There's an
I'll go out.
enemy.
I'll go out. Wait. One Codex at storm.
Abol, takbo. Abang may lupa.
Ooh, to infinity and beyond.
Oh, this is the same guy a while ago.
Cruella, I will rescue Cruella. Go. Kill the imp.
Cannot hit me if I keep on running.
Ah! Okay, I'm healing the imp.
Misha! Wake up!
Guys, gising-gising yung nasa
Ay,
gildol.
Kimoy.
Walang pinabantayan dyan. Pag nasakop
30%, healing the imp again. Ah! Oh no. Go to Goldcrest now. Elite 4 and 5. Go to Goldcrest. It's fine. Yeah, this Espeg. Tapak. Yeah, give them the Black Fort. Cruella, capture another castle. give them what they want.
Team A! Move back to Scorpion.
Yeah, move back. Team 5. Go to Lion's Heart. Then team 4 go to Goldcrest. Lion's Heart. Defend the Lion's Heart. Yeah.
Heal the Emperor.
Barry, you want to attack Barry? Say that.
Okay,
OMG Serval. OMG Serval. May say daddy again. Serval will top up again. 1 million.
Say daddy again. Ho ho ho.
Barry, I will secure the M. U4 Devil, go rampage. I will defend the gold crest. U4, take whatever castle do you want. Team B, you hold the gold crest for now. Again, for my team, Team 4. Okay? Go wild. I'll be helping defending the gold crest.
Avarice again. It's okay, we can kill him. We can
Okay.
hold Scorpion.
Go wild.
Team A, let's go Team A. Feel the imp. Oh god. Two Avarice 1 and Avarice 2.
Where's Bus? Bus, where are you, Bus? I can. Oh,
Go round and round. Hehehe.
oh,
I just had to.
Wait. How many minutes left? 20. Okay.
Boom.
So 1, 2,
Wake
3.
up.
You need help, Lion's Heart? Okay. The
They
wheels
can
on
keep
the
up with the
bus
healing in Scorpion,
go
so just keep
round
on
and
reviving and sank the
round
imp
and
or heal it forever.
Team D.
Team Rosalie!
Team D.
Team Rosalie! Ooh.
Rosalie, go capture the Nightingale.
Rosalie!
No. The Codex is stronger to those two. But those two guilds are empty now. Like only 20 to 30 members.
Keep on reviving and keep on
Abigail,
healing
your
the
team, go capture the Nightingale. Yeah. I know you're bored already at Jade Fort. Nightingale.
Sanctuary.
Titan. Okay, Serval. Okay. We copy.
Wake up, everybody.
Where's my team?
Boom.
Where's my team? I can't see my team. Where's my team?
Wake up, brother.
Where's my team? Okay. Team C. Go to Black Fort. Same as
Din
Elite
Bilog.
4. Elite 4 and Team C. Go to Black Fort.
Kayo namin.
The wheels on the bus go round and round. Round and round. Round and round.
The whales on the bus.
Servals on the bus go round and round.
Are you saying
and
Val is round?
All to
Oh, no.
the towns.
Are you saying Val is round?
Okay.
Some guys think like I don't have any equipped. No, because if they have like a title difference, for example, they're rainbow and you're just like sun,
Cruella.
they have a bonus damage on you. Daddy inside Lion Amp.
Cruella.
Okay. Team A,
Can you
Go to
capture Antler,
Lion.
Cruella? Antler. Serval, can you capture
Team A go to Lion. Can you type on
Serpent,
the chat?
Serval. So Codex can't enter the Black Fort anymore.
Thank you. And rest
Or
everybody.
Pixa, or Pixa,
Oh, fuck,
Pixa,
there's
you
someone
can-
on rampage here.
Pixa or Serval can
no.
capture the Serpent. So no one can enter. Oh shit. Espec is here again!
Where are you guys?
Black Fort.
Blackfort.
Serpento, you won round 8. I mean, Espig.
Espig.
Fucking Espig. Serval Espig is here again, bullying us
Team A
at
live.
Black Fort.
Geseng. Mga natatawag.
80% scorpion.
They bullying us. And Sir Cruella, can you capture all Reso Castle? Around Black Fort. If you lose Lion's Heart, give up. Then go to Black Fort.
Wait, I need to. Team A.
Hold on.
Oh shit. We need
this one.
backup. We need backup now at Black Fort. We need
Team A
backup
go
now
to
at
Black Fort. Team A. Gout, it's okay. Let's go to Black Fort.
We need backup now.
Yeah.
As in
They're
very
coming,
very
they're
now.
coming. Team A go to Black Fort. Also, Gout's team go to Black Fort.
Espeg ready for round 9. The pack.
Got this. Espeg time.
Tawagin mo mama mo.
I see dead people. Sancta Imp!
Go. Serval. We need you.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, Serval. Teams is there. Let's go.
Sancta Imp!
Tarastokin ko yan pag bumalik yan dito. Naghanap ka ng site ng katawan ha.
Tawagin mo boss mo. Putang ina. Suntukan sila ni Serval.
How's the map?
Okay. We're good now.
Choke.
Nightingale, guys, how are you?
Wait, did you trash talk us or something?
Yeah, you trash talk them in Chinese.
Yeah. Fuckers.
Night
17
16
minutes.
lobby.
17 minutes. Lira!
What does that mean? What does that mean?
Chival!
Okay. Just defend Abby, okay? Just defend.
Oh my god.
Defend Nightingale.
Yeah, Abby, how are you doing, Abby? Mali Abby. Cruella. Let me check the map.
Actually, Cruella's has an assignment. Actually, I think he's
Maybe
doing
you
assignment.
can take Scorpion. There's no much people in Scorpion.
Hmm. Wait.
Service hours.
Actually, just give Oyasumi the Scorpion since we need to conquer Reso so they don't attack Black Fort. Yeah. Gout,
So hard
God,
to
God.
find this bitch.
go to Serpent, Gout. Cruella's
Ano?
team also go to Serpent. Also,
Oh, I expect this inside again.
it's fine. Gout. Okay, go to
Paano na trash talk?
Serpent. Yeah.
Yan ang tinawag niya na nga yung boss niya.
Sino ba boss niya?
Kayo ang boss ko.
Inoy ah.
Speg at soil. It's okay, let him eat dirt.
Pakainin natin ng sample.
Ayan. Magandang trash talk.
Oh my god. Be careful, guys. Be careful. FSS has constantly sank the M, guys, even if it's
Kahit
full.
naman tawagin nila buong guild nila, kay Serval lang yan eh.
Top up mo. Fuck, bro.
Okay.
Thank you, Alpha.
God can manage, Serpent can manage.
Look at
Cruella,
the map.
can you dep antler Cruella?
Looking at the map.
Rest.
Goldcrest,
me,
how
rest.
are you guys in
Rest me.
Goldcrest?
Rest. Lira, rest me, Lira. I'm behind you. Okay. Okay. Nice.
Gold is good.
Parisu ako, parisu, mga kapatid.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Parisu.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Whoever rest me. Ay,
Wala
Pinoy
na
pala
lang,
si
Astro, matulog ka na lang din.
Masyadong palong-palo yung empty, sabay sasabihin, kalma lang guys, laro lang. Ah, pakyo ka? Kayo nag-umpisa?
Try natin. Check natin.
Hello!
Okay, trash talk on ha.
Jade Fort being attacked.
Guys.
How many?
How many? Abigail, go back to Jade Fort. Abigail. Eh?
Yeah. Yeah, Team D. Team D go to Jade Fort.
Abigail. Abigail team, go to Jade Fort. Alam nyo na guys, pag na top 1 tayo dito, labas sa cross server.
Team A. Provide temporary support to Jade Fort. Let's go. And then when they're stable, go back to Black Fort.
Okay, Team Angel.
Team A.
Yeah, Team Angel.
Oh my god. The M. Kill the M!
Jade Fort. Lucy.
Yeah. Jade Fort, Alpha Jade Fort.
Elite 4, go to Jade Fort.
I think
I think what?
Jade Fort is good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Never mind. Never mind.
Never mind.
Never say never.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, round 10 at Black Fort.
Team
Round
A,
10.
Team A, go to Gold Fort, Gold Crest, yeah, Team A.
Gold Fort. Where's Gold Fort?
It's Gold Crest Fortress. Kidding. Yeah, Team A, go to Gold Crest.
Grizzly, it's fine. It's fine.
13 minutes.
Cruella, can you handle the antler? Still can handle? Just retake it if you can. Yeah.
Oh my god, why are there so many?
Oh, they hear now. They hear. They hear inside. They hear inside again.
Jade Fort, just respawn and then heal the M. Keep on respawning.
Inside round 10 again.
God, my
Okay,
phone.
nice, Abigail. Nice.
Jade
That-
Fort, Jade Fort.
That's Rosalie's buff.
Yeah, Rosalie buff.
Yeah.
Kimai buff.
Oh, they here at the middle. Fucking hell.
Team A, go back to Black Fort. Team A.
No, it's fine. We killed them. Oh, never mind. We don't.
Team A, let's go.
The trees incoming.
Sunk the M.
Suck the M.
Yes.
Suck. 10 minutes. Can I go he fort? What's he fort?
He Fort?
Manghihipo ka lang eh.
Wait.
Black Fort, guys. Black Fort.
Hipo.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Gold Crest, be careful, okay? There's 3 enemy. Wow.
Yeah.
Cruella's team holding the antler. Wow. Antler? That
Uy,
serpent?
Philippines.
Get ready, Scorpion. Okay, Serval, copy. I think we can send Pixas defend only. Since we need to secure castle now, Serval. Since already...
It's so chaotic. I love it.
10
Yeah,
minutes left.
10 minutes.
Yung anto ko, 5 minutes na lang.
Oh, di ba? May ano pa oh. May nagsi-city oh. Nakakuha raid trick.
Shiba.
Congrats.
CQWR sign.
Gold? Sushi, go to Gold
Ayo.
Crest. Your team. Na-wipe out
Team-
daw sila. Na-wipe out sila ng isang...
Team A! Gold Crest.
Why are you shouting?
Team A. Just keep on respawning and then go teleport to the amp and then sank the amp. That's how we do it.
This is how we do it.
Boo.
Go Barry. Go Barry. Go Barry. Dead. Go Barry. Go Barry. You can do it.
Can do it, Barry.
Oh
Can
shit,
do
the
it,
Doram
Barry.
is so itchy. Oh.
Wake
oh.
up, everybody! Wake up. Go.
Puno ng mulawin.
Go Harvey Sun. Go. Kill them Harvey Sun. Throw empty bottles. Rapture.
Punch them with broken glass. Team A, go to Scorpion. Team A. Oh my god, I'm sorry, you're the most used team right now.
Yeah.
Team A, Scorpion, like run and
Yeah, Sir Barry, I'm here at the M. Sorry, I can't trust you. I'm holding the M.
Team A, Scorpion.
The wheels on the bus go round and
Run.
round.
Thank
Okay.
you first.
Black Fort, ready for round 12. Fucking.
Ano, buli mo ko rito. Go.
Yeah. Wait.
May namatay sa gitna.
Can someone hold Serpent? Yeah, I think Pixa's team can hold Serpent.
Go Team A. Yeah. Let's do our usual tactic.
Yeah.
Blink and heal the imp.
I just arrived home. Kaoru, don't
Okay,
worry.
go harvest your carrots.
Yeah, harvest your carrots first, then go TR.
Let's go. I think Karu is Team E. Yeah.
Yeah, Team E.
Go with Team E, Karu.
Go with Jade Fort, Kaoru. Sorry for Team D2E, yeah guys, for holding
It's
the Jade
okay.
Fort.
Oh,
Okay.
I need to charge before I go.
Scorpion is being under attack. Scorpion,
Yeah, go, Scorpion.
under
Just
attack.
blink and heal. It's okay.
Gout,
Taken.
help Scorpion, Gout.
Gout. We need gout in our
Gout.
lives.
Gout. You can kill Oyasumi. Yeah, I know
There's
you can
lots
kill
of
Oyasumi.
Yasumi here. They are about to take it, I guess. They're determined in taking it.
Wait,
Guys, if we lose Scorpion, go back to Black Fort. Oh, Pixa is here.
Oh, nice. So Orpheus is AFK because it's his birthday. Happy birthday, bro. Yeah, happy birthday.
Happy na
pag walang lumpia yan, re-report ko yan.
Yeah. So we don't warn you because it's your birthday, yeah?
Lumpia.
Wait, I'm checking the map. I'm the map.
Scorpion, heal the imp.
Okay, Team Blackfort. Team Blackfort, go to Scorpion. No one is
Wait.
attacking Blackfort now. No one is attacking Blackfort.
Go wipe
No one is
everybody.
attacking Blackfort. Go. Help them.
Wipe Oyasumi.
Happy na birthday mo pa.
Then Pixa, can you help Antler also? I think Cruella's team is having a hard time.
Guys, 6 minutes left.
6 minutes. Okay.
Can we back in Blackfort?
No.
Scorpion is safe.
Team C. I have assignment for you.
What? Ayoko.
Go to
Ayoko.
Blackfort.
Ay, hindi nautos mo eh. Sabi sa'yo eh. Team C, Blackfort.
No, may pumasok kasi na Reso.
May naka-FK nga ron. 8 eh.
Antler. Team A, go to Antler.
Okay.
Team A,
Gout. Can you go to Blackfort, Team 5? Elite 5. Then, Team 4, Elite 4, go to Serpent, capture the castle. Let's go, we still have 5 minutes. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, Antler.
Antler chill now. Go Grizzly Cruella.
Team A, standby.
Ay,
In
ako
Nice,
po.
nice, nice.
Daddy has captured Long Spear.
It's fine.
Daddy long sleeve.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Toreso in Blackford. Kill.
Abigail. Abigail, go to Grizzly after Serval, okay? Oh, shit.
Team A, let's go to Nightingale.
Go, 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 go.
Yeah, Team A, Nightingale. Can someone type
Just
it?
wait for Serval. Serval is capturing the castle now.
Can someone type it? Thank you, thank you.
Oh, shit, I'm dead. Sanctuary is here. The heck? Make me sweat. Make me water. Let me lose my breath.
I think we're gonna pawn this. So monitor the map, monitor the map, monitor the map.
Wait. I'm monitoring the map.
Monitor
Because
the
I'm the
How's
map.
Scorpion, guys? Thank you, Alpha.
Yeah, Blackfort is safe. But
Big
there's
deal.
3 reso. Yeah. Yeah. In Blackfort,
Yeah. 79%.
you need help?
No.
Go Barry, go Barry, go. Let's go. We can
3
do it.
minutes left, guys.
Power of friendship.
3 minutes
Oh.
left. Report, guys. Report. If you need help or what.
No. They need help. Not R.
Oh my God. Team A, go to
Barry.
Grizzly.
Go Barry, go Barry, go.
I need financial help. Team A, go to Grizzly.
Go. We can run. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Go back to Blackfort now. Team 4. Barry, there's so many. Okay.
Last 2 minutes,
Last 2
guys.
minutes. 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
I think safe.
2 minutes.
We got
So
3
Cruella's
major
team
factors.
is handling the okay now Abigail,
How's
you're in
Scorpion?
Grizzly
Is
now,
anybody
Abigail,
else
right?
Scorpion?
Okay, team 4, go to Scorpion, team 4. Let's go.
Team A, stay at Grizzly.
Oh shit, they capturing fast. Faster.
Team A, come to Scorpion.
No, I think we can.
Fudge.
Yeah, we can heal. Ha.
1 in M. Where? Grizzly. What job?
Blow job. Oh shit,
It's
my bad.
SC. I'm not sure if he can take it. After the Team A, go back to Grizzly. Team A, go back to Grizzly.
Wait.
One
After
minute
the
left.
Himay.
1 minute.
So
Team A, go back to Grizzly.
So to
And
Jade
then-
4th team, we don't have time, so stay.
Okay, you're still here, guys. That's good.
Yeah, we're rank 1. Ew, 17 points. Ew. Where's the Codex?
Ew.
Codex? Ew, rank 7. Yuck. Dirty.
Codex, where are
Ew.
you? Ew.
Codex, if naririnig nyo to, pack you kayong lahat.
Edit out Maze.
Lakas nyo man trash talk. Rank 7 naman pala kayo. Oo, Codex yun eh. Tawagin nyo yung boss nyo tanga. Kasapak namin sila kay Serbal eh.
They can't take it, it's just 4 seconds.
May
Let's
miss ka
go.
na,
Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Hey!
Guys, team raid party leaders. Raid party leaders, don't forget to take a screenshot.
Ayoko.
No.
Ayoko.
Ayoko din.
Ayoko. Adobo is
Hindi
offline.
guys.
Oh, chat sa cross server. Reso,
GG's.
tawagin niyo boss niyo.
GG's. Attendance.
Yan. Chat tayo sa ano.
Timba.
Actually, 17 points is not bad. Yeah, they all Cloud, I will throw my mouse to you. Ah.
Disappointed why 17 not 20. Thank you to my team, Team A,
Yeah,
especially
thank
those who
you
are
to the
typing.
Devils team, to the coach
Thank
team.
you.
Thank you. 32 points, it's not cross server. Like we battle. Well, I'm the highest. I got 34. Well,
Do we have like guild boxes?
yeah.
Thank you, team.
Bakit?
Timing ni Jinri ngayon, wala ka na Pacquiao ngayon ah.
Everybody
ano?
is not AFK. Very good
Ano?
boys.
Pagod ako ngayon. Nag-inom ako gabi.
Thank you, May, for resting me 1 billion times.
Guys, assist me Anton. 4 runs.
Raffle? Gusto nyo ba? Bukas na.
Guys,
Tomorrow,
Ton.
Monday, raffle.
Bukas. May raffle tayo bukas.
Ay, yung attendance pala ng party ko okay na.
Ah.
What?
Guys,
yeah, raffle. 1.5 anniversary raffle.
Oh yeah. Yun pala yung raffle na sinasabi nila.
Yeah.
Hindi naman ako mananalo dyan. Lintik.
Kasama ng loob mo dyan eh.
I need an LE pet. Give me. Oh, I
Bibigay-
only have 3 tickets.
Bibigay sa inyo, sama ng loob lang.